Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advait. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is a requested video for the CVC and Phonic worksheet for the toddlers, preschoolers and kindergarten kids. I have created in very fun and colorful manner so that they can practice vowel, proper CVC and phonic sound for the reading and writing practice. So let's get started. So this is the CVC worksheet.
Practice beginning letter sound.
Yes. Tell me the picture and you have to circle the beginning sound of the picture.
And tell.
The phonic sound.
Yes. This is balloon. Balloon.
Very good.
Let's circle the B. This is flower. Flower. Here's the F. Let's circle F.
Very good.
And here's a sea animal named a jellyfish. And it starts with a J.
J make sound.
J.
Very good. This is
to unlock things and it's a key. So it starts with a K.
K.
K. Good. This is a hut. Hut. This is an umbrella. Umbrella.
Very good. This is again a CVC. Missing
Write
vowel.
Missing vowels.
Very good. What is this?
It's a fin.
Yeah.
The part of a fish. And it's missing an I.
Yeah.
Fin. This is a sun. And it's missing the vowel U. Then it makes the word sun.
Very good.
This is a mug with some juicy orange juice. And it's missing the U again. So we have to write mug. Mug.
What is this?
This is a mop to clean the floor.
Right.
And it's missing the vowel O. O. Mop.
Which number is this?
Number 6. And it's missing the vowel I again.
Yeah.
Now it says six.
Very good. What is this?
And this is a tub where you can clean yourself. And it says tub. And it's
Which vowel is missing?
U. And now it says tub. Tub.
This is CVC word puzzle.
My favorite.
Here are some CVC word puzzle. You have to check where it is and circle it.
And cross. And
what is this?
This is leg. Leg. And we can see here. What's the leg? Egg. Beg. And here is beg. Cross it off. And here is met. And it says here met. Circle it and cross met. And here is pet. Pet. And here we can see it.
Very good.
Do you see any red? Here it is. And
first you have to cross it off.
And then vet. And then it's here. And cross it off.
You can give this with any sound. A, I, O, any vowel sound. Very good. So this is again a CVC word.
Read and match.
Very good. Read it and match it with the pictures.
This is a bat.
You have to start reading from here.
And this is net.
No.
Net. To catch insects. And this is a bus. Beep beep, here comes the bus. Alright.
You have to read and match.
Bus. Here is 10. 10. This is bug. Bug. And here is bat.
Very good. So this is the phonics story with short I. The sad pig. What is this?
It's a pig.
You have to read it.
I can see a man dig. The man can dig. He dug up a pit.
The man was digging a pit. In
the pit is a pig. In the pit is a pig. In a bin. The pig is sad.
Pig is sad.
It has a pin in its butt.
Oh my God, that's why the pig was sad?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it has a pin in its butt.
And it hurts.
It's painful.
Oh dear piggy. So these kind of story you can make with any other vowels and any other CVC word to just practice for reading and pronunciation.
Yeah.
You enjoyed this phonics worksheet?
Yeah.
Right. I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good for the small kids like toddlers, 3 to 5 years kids, for the practicing of phonics and CVC word, so that they can read and speak properly with the particular phonic sounds of vowels and CVC word. And if you want to download these worksheets for your kids, I will provide PDF link in description below so that your kids can enjoy and learn. And for more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Arpit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.